A very good morning to class 6. Today we will continue our chapter 14, which is about practical geometry. Right? Practical geometry. So today we will do the exercise 14.1. As yesterday I told you the instruments which we used in practical geometry, that are first, that is ruler. First one is ruler, which you are saying, which you call that scale. Second one compass, right? Third one protractor. Fourth one, that is divider, and fifth one is the set square. So about all these 5 instruments I told you yesterday, and we have discussed that how to make the line with the help of compass, how to make the line with the help of ruler and pencil, how you will check that the length with the help of divider. Clear, students? So now today let us come to the exercise 14.1. We will discuss. So now students, see, we will continue our exercise 14.1. The first question of this is, first is, arrange the steps of constructions given below in the correct order so that a line segment AB, see, upper side line segment also given, of length 12 centimeter can be constructed using a ruler. Right, we have to arrange them in a sequence. So first of all, we will read the step. First is, mark a point B corresponding to 12 centimeter on the ruler. Wrong. Place the ruler in such a way that 0 mark on the ruler lies on point E. C is, join A and B. Thus we have a line segment AB equals to 12 centimeter. So see, this join A and B. This shows that line segment is created. It means this will come at 4th position. Right? Now, last one. Mark a point A on a sheet of paper. So students, in yesterday's video, I told you how to make the line segment with the help of a ruler. For that, what you have to do, firstly mark a point A on the sheet of paper. So this is our first step. Then mark a point B. Firstly, what you have to do, this one, point A. Put the ruler here, 0 at point A. जो 0 है वो आप किस पे करोगे, point A पे. And then put one more point of near about 12 centimeter. So see, place the ruler in such a way that the 0 mark on the ruler lies on point A. So this will come at second one, and that mark a point B corresponding to 12 centimeter on the ruler. This will be the third one. Clear, students? So now see the constructions. Mark a point A on the sheet of paper. Then place the ruler in such a way that the 0 mark on the ruler lies on a point A. Third one, mark a point B corresponding to 12 centimeter on the ruler. And the last point is, join A and B. Thus we have a line segment AB equals to 12 centimeter. Clear? Now, the key to arrange the steps of constructions given below in the correct order so that a line segment AB of length 10 centimeter can be constructed using compass and ruler. Now we have to draw a line AB equals to 10 centimeter using compass and ruler. So compass this one and ruler is this one, right? Now firstly we read all the steps. AB is the required line segment of length 10 centimeter. So now the B1 is place the pointed leg of the compass at the point A and draw an arc to instruct the line L. Then label this point of intersection as B. So this one also no. Now see, place the pointed leg of a pair of compass on the 0 mark of the ruler. Means first D part, extend the leg of the compass holding the pencil so that it is corresponding to the 10 centimeter mark of the ruler. So first point is that place the pointed leg of a compass 0 to the mark of the ruler. Means this side, this one, then we will extend it like this up to 10 centimeter. Clear? So first is this one. Place the pointed leg of a pair of compass on the 0 mark of the ruler. Then extend the leg of the compasses holding the pencil so that it corresponding to the 10 centimeter mark on the ruler like this, which we have done now. Clear? So this one is second part. Then ensure the distance between the leg of the compass is not disturbed. So this will come at the third. Now fourth one. Draw a line L of any length greater than 10 centimeter using a ruler. Mark point A on it towards one of the end. See, this will become the first because firstly they are said draw a line L of any length. So change the number. This become first, this one second. Extend one will be the third one. Second, this one become third and this become the fourth. Now fifth one is this. Place the pointed leg of the compass at a point A and draw an arc. And then the last one is AB is the required line segment of this. So when you draw or construct a line using the compass and ruler, for that क्या करना है बच्चों आपको? See, here firstly you will draw any random L length which is greater than 10 centimeter. So I am draw here. Right. Now mark a point A on towards one of end, any end, either this or this. Then second step, here I have to give the name A. Place the pointed leg of the compass at point A of a pair on the 0 mark to the ruler. 0 mark. Extend the leg of the compass holding the pencil so it corresponding to the 10 centimeter mark of the ruler like this. 0 to 10. Third step is this, fourth one. Ensure the distance between the legs of the compass is not to be disturbed. Make it as it is. Then place the pointed leg of the compass at a point A and draw an arc. So here you will put it without disturbing. Put the compass here, then put one arc like this, very slightly. So label the point B. It will here mark this point B, and here this is your line segment A, B. Clear this question? Now, key third. Arrange the step of constructions given below in the correct order so that a copy of line segment AB can be constructed using compasses and ruler. Now we have to write the constructions with to draw a line, how to draw a line with compass and ruler. So see, there are 4 steps given. Again we will arrange these steps. So first step is keep the pointed leg of the compass at a point A and extend its other leg such that it corresponds to B. Second, draw a line L and mark a point P on it towards one of the end. So see, when we are doing or constructing a line segment with compass or ruler, so this is same like this. This question you will do yourself. Selfly आप check करेंगे that which point will come first, which will be the second and which the third. Now come to the S1. Now S1. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So students, how to draw a circle? That is also we have done. What you have to do? Take a ruler. Take the compass. Put the one needle of the compass at 0. 4 centimeter. Open it like this. 0 to 4. Now take a paper. Don't move the needle of the compass. Just rotate the pencil like this. And see, it joins. Right? So this is the way to draw the circle. So this, now from this point, draw a line anywhere on the circle. That will be equals to 4 centimeter. To A. This will be the radius 4 centimeter. Clear? Right? Now the S2, that is, draw a circle the radius of which is half the radius of another circle of circumference 22. Means in this what we have to do, we have to draw one circle whose radius is half of that circle. See the statement carefully. Half of that circle whose circumference is 22. So firstly, from this circumference, we will find the radius. Circumference equals to 22 centimeter. Formula is 2 pi r. We have to find r. Now 22 by this 2 pi will come here downside. Put the value 22 by 2 multiply 22 by 7. This 7 goes here. 22 cut by 22. 7 by 2. Right? So here r is equals to 7 by 2. Now we have to draw the circle of radius. Half of the radius of another circle. Half of this. Half of radius is equals to, again half multiply with 2. That is equals to 7 by 4. Divided 7, 4. 4 ones are 4. 3.0. 4 sevens are 28. 2, 0. 4 fives are 20. So we have to draw one circle whose radius equals to 1.75. Right? So 1.75, how you will measure? 1.75 will come here. 5, 6, 7. Right? See, put 1 over the 0 and then open it up to 1.75 up to here. Now draw the circle. Now the radius of this circle is 1.75. Clear? Now the next question. Draw a line segment of length 11.5 centimeter using a ruler and compass. Length is 11.5 centimeter. So as students, we have studied about the constructions also. So for this, what we have to do, firstly, we will draw a line which is greater in length, that is up to this, like, see, now this side E, put mark. Now 11.5. So put the needle here one side and then open it up to 11.5, means this much, little bit more. I'm pressing it, and now this is 11.5. Now put this one here and mark arc. Right? Now this is the point B and length of this is 11.5 centimeter. You can check also. Clear this one? Now S4. Draw a line segment of length 8.3 centimeter using a ruler. This you can do. S4. Draw a circle with a diameter of length 12 centimeter. So students, you know, when you draw the circle, for that radius is required. So we will draw the circle with radius. So radius is half of diameter. Radius equals to half of diameter. So diameter given 12, it means 12 by 2. 6 equals to the radius. So you have to draw a circle with the radius 6, and you can easily draw with the help of compass. Right? Now the S6. A circular ring of radius 1.4 centimeter is cut and straightened. Draw a line segment equal to the length of straightened ring. Right? So, bache, when we studied about the circle topic, there we have clear one point, that total length of the circle, total length of circle is equals to circumference. That is equals to circumference. It means if we have to find the total length of the circle, we will find the total circumference. Formula 2 pi r. R is given 1.4 centimeter. Put the values. This will go 0.2. Point remove 10. 2 to the 4, 8.8 centimeter. So length of the line, draw a line segment equal to the length of the straightened ring. So total length equals to 8.8 centimeter, and this you can draw easily. Clear? Total length, that is equals to the circumference. Now S7. The circumference of a ring is equal to the length of the line segment. Right? Circumference of a ring is equal to the length of line segment. If the line segment measure 13.2 centimeter, Draw the line segment and corresponding circle. In this, what is mentioned here, that they are saying circumference of a ring is equal to the line segment. So here line segment given, line segment equals to circumference. Line segment is 1.4 centimeter. Sorry, 13.2 centimeter. So it is equals to 2 pi r. Now we have to draw the line segment. So line segment बच्चे आप easily draw कर लोगे with 13.2 centimeter length. Now come to how to draw the circle. For the circle we need radius. So from this formula we find the radius. 13.2 divided by 2 pi. Here it will go r. Put the values. 2 multiply 22 divided by 7. Point remove. Here come 10. Now cut it. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Right? 21 1s are 22. 22 1s are 22 and 22 3s are 66. Now 7 multiply 3 by 10, 21 by 10, so that is 2.1. So radius of the circle which you have to draw, that is 2.1. Clear, students? So this is about our exercise 14.1. If you have any problem in this exercise, you can comment and ask. And the topic which we do in the next, that is how to construct perpendicular lines. What do you mean by this? Right? About this we will discuss in the next lecture. I hope 14.1 is clear to everybody. If you have any problem, then comment and ask.